I can't sing it. That's all I got.
You just did.
Sing 10 or 12 miles from here.
All right, go,
All
Jeff.
right,
Road signs.
Road signs. Here we go. So the road signs have been in use since the time of Roman Empire. The Romans created 1-pound stone markers referred to as milestones. That's where we get it from, which were numbered and placed at specific intervals around 62,000 miles of roads. Most of the early road signs, like the ones made in the American Automobile Association, were made of wood, placed on iron columns. The first road signs were milestones giving distance and direction. So the first one we have are regulatory signs, and these are broken down on what kind of signs they are. Regulatory signs tell the drivers what they must do, what they must not do according to the law. They give information about rules and traffic direction, speed, lane usage, stopping, yield, turning, parking, and so on. Regulatory signs are typically white, red, or black with black, white, or red letter symbols. That's confusing. Watch this. They are usually square or rectangle, but some have special shapes. Some regulatory signs have red circles with a red slash. Those are the red slash signs. Moving on to warning signs. Warning signs alert road users to changes in roadway conditions, possible road hazards ahead. These signs are posted before the conditions so drivers have time to slow down, see what is ahead, and decide how they should respond.
MR Deers.
MR
Does
Deers.
that mean there's a John dealer ahead?
It
John
could be a tractor.
Deere
Watch out for
tractor store
tractors. There
ahead?
you go. And, of course, we got construction signs. They are work road signs. I tried to get a sign with a guy leaning on a shovel, but this one's probably pushing one.
And 17 guys standing around
Watching
him.
him. Work zone signs are usually normally diamond-shaped with black letters or symbols on the orange background. These signs identify construction, maintenance, utility, or emergency operation areas and warn drivers that workers or equipment may be on or near the road or sleeping.
And traffic's going to turn to
These
crap.
warning signs include workers ahead, reduced speed, sudden changes of the road surfaces, lane closures, detours, and slow-moving construction equipment. In work zones, traffic may be controlled by a person with a flag or a stop-slow paddle. Flaggers have the same authority. Those guys out there waving you through, they've got the same authority as a sign.
And the price of your ticket doubles.
Yes, exactly.
In a work
You would
zone.
know that.
I know that because of coming south out of College Station in those work zones. I got peened.
Guide signs. Most guide signs are horizontal or rectangle with white letters and numbers on a green background.
New York City.
Get a
Guide
rope.
signs direct motorists to cities and towns by telling them where they are and what road they are on and how to get where they want to go. These signs give information about directions, distance, and proper exits. On highways and expressways, one advanced guide sign is usually followed by another advanced sign with the third sign posted at the actual exit where you
It
need
says
to get off.
you've missed all the
You've missed
signs.
it, and then Buc-ee's is next. The
Potty on.
service signs. Service signs are square or rectangle with white letters or symbols on a blue background. These signs direct drivers toward services, facilities
pistol.
such as
Football ahead.
as hospitals, rest areas, gas stations, restaurants, and motels. So that's a little bit of signage for you.
Sign,
There you
everywhere.
go.
Sign.
Yeah, and when you see those signs, you're already stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic around here.
I need to get off there.
Yeah. And you're over in the left lane. You can't get to the right.
True.
Well, you can, but you just got to stop traffic. To do
Yeah.
it.
And everybody gets yelling at you and shooting you the finger and stuff. All
So I
right.
took one of my granddaughters wanted to go driving, practice driving yesterday, and so we went, and we got exactly like that.
What
we
car did you take, Mike? Did you take one of the press cars?
No, we took the truck. We took the truck
Cool.
because I
the
needed
truck
her-
with the camper shell on the
Yeah,
back
so I
of it, so
wanted
you
her to
can't
get-
see out the back.
Exactly. I wanted her to get used to that. And so we're coming up on an exit, and I'm telling her, you got to move over, and she can't make up her mind about going over. And so we missed the exit. Now, I would have made that exit, but I was not about to tell her to cross that double white line and make that exit. So we went to the next
teaching
exit,
somebody else how to drive.
and
Oh
we got
my
to the
God.
next exit, and it was the same problem.
Danger.
We ended
danger.
up going 5 miles down before we got to where she could get over comfortably and make the U-turn and come back.
Oh my God.
But it was exactly that. She just caught in the traffic.
No, it was the teacher.
Yeah.
Honey, you know, we're 3 miles away from the exit. We need to
Move
start
to the
trying
right.
to get over to the right.
Well,
Move
here,
to
let's
the
explain this. Get off here because there's a liquor store in that corner we need to stop at.
Yeah, Mike wouldn't have missed that.
It's
Political.
wholesome, just like us.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like us. I assume that's this week
That's
in
this
auto
week
history.
in auto history.
iHeart.